What is up, everyone? This is Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the origin setup 0xc00007b not opening error, or mostly the origin MSVCP140.dll or the VCRUNTIME140.dll error. So these two things, the DLL files that I've brought up, are essentially causing issues for your origin setup error, as mentioned previously, or in the title, as you can see. So I'm going to basically show you a very quick way on how to fix this. You don't need to go crazy and installing multiple things. I'm basically going to show you high level and essentially what needs to be done, and we're going to just take it from there. So let's get right into it. So you can see these two files right here. I will leave a link in the description below for y'all. If not, you can literally just Google these DLL files and then essentially download them over here. So make sure you download the right architecture. You can find this in your system information, whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit. Make sure you get the latest version and essentially just download these two files. Again, similarly, you can see over here, it tells you the common programs and files it's used for, etc., etc. But regardless, make sure you get the latest one. And again, you always obviously want to make sure you have the latest Visual C++ distribution packages as well. Usually the games and systems install this for you. If not, I can make a separate video on how to do that, but you can just stick to getting the DLL files first. So once you have these two DLL files downloaded, all you need to essentially do then is in your Windows folder, Finder folder, you're going to go into this PC, you're going to go in local disk, and you're going to find something called Windows. Under Windows, we're going to basically go to where it says System. So you can try two things and put it in two places. I've seen it work in just one, but you can put these two files, drop it anywhere under, so below where the folders are, you'll see all the DLL files here. Copy and paste it here. It might ask you to replace the files, which is fine. You can replace them, or it might not say that at all because most likely you're just missing the DLL files straight up. So you can drop it there. And the other spot where I've seen, again, it kind of works for some folks. You can, like I said, trying it in both, is dropping it in the syswow64 file as well. And again, same thing, dropping the DLL files over here, replacing it if necessary, and voila. Just doing those two things, restarting your computer, you should not get this error persist any longer, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification button. And that, Charles out. Peace.